The Andaman Islands and the Nicobar Islands is separated through which of these following channels? A. 8-degree channel. B. 9-degree channel. C. 11-degree channel. D. 10-degree channel.
The correct answer is D. 10-degree channel.
The 10-degree channel is a channel that separates the Andaman Islands and Nicobar Islands from each other in the Bay of Bengal. The two sets of islands together form the Indian Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This channel is 150 kilometers wide from north to south and approximately 10 kilometers long from east to west. It has minimum depth of 7.3 m and lies from east to west on the 10-degree line of latitude north of the equator, hence the name.
Question of the day.
Rakhigarhi, the Harappan site which was seen in the news recently, is located in which state? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Gujarat. C. Haryana. D. Chhattisgarh.
Comment your answer in the comment section. The first person who answers correctly will be shown as the highlighted comment, and discussion on the same will be posted next day. Also post your valuable suggestions to help us provide you better content. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to watch the latest content. Thanks for watching.